Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to model a very simple uh, sofa chair in Blender. So let's model this in Blender. I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm going to run in normal speed. I'm going to run this video in normal speed and also explain the steps what I'm doing while I'm creating this chair. So let's start. First, we have to go in add mesh and create one cube like this. Then scale this cube like this, and then go in edit mode, train, click on this edge, press Ctrl R and add one edge here. Click on this edge, press Ctrl R, add one edge here. Click on this edge, Ctrl R, add one edge here. Click on this edge, Ctrl R, add one edge here. Click on this edge, Ctrl R, add one edge here. Click on this edge, Ctrl R, add one edge here. Okay, now go in edit modifiers, add modifiers, content and add subdivision modifier and increase the count like this. So we have something like this. Go in object mode, press Ctrl D to duplicate this, and then Y and keep it here like this. Again rotate, click on this red axis and here type 90 degree. So we have something like this. Now go in edit mode, press this all vertex, select this all vertex and then scale it little bit like this here. If you want, you can also select this all vertex and click it here like this. And now select this all vertex for upper vertex and then rotate it like this and then move it here. Click on this vertex and vertex. So we have something like this. Click on this vertex and move here like this. So we have something like this. Now click here and then scale it little bit downward like this and then move little bit here like this. Click on edit mode. Now click on this mode, press Shift D and Y axis and click it here, and here type -2 in Y axis and then rotate it 90 degree. So we have something like this. Move it little bit here, and it is also press Shift D and rotate it like this. Press 90 degree. Click on this object and just move it here like this, and then scale it little bit. So we have something like this. Press Ctrl D and then Z axis, move it little bit here downward and then scale it little bit like this. If you want, you can also scale it a little bit. So we have something like this. Now for bottom part, add one cube, create one cube like this, select this bottom face and then scale it a little bit like this, and then again go in extrude along normals and then move it a little bit here like this. Here also extrude along normals and move it a little bit here like this. Go in edge and add some edges here. Add one edge here, 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 and add one edge here. Add subdivision here and add one edge here also. So we have something like this. So move it little bit here like this and scale it in this axis. Move a little bit like this here. Press this Control Shift D to duplicate y-axis and keep it here. Again press this Shift D to duplicate x-axis and keep it here. So select all this part and give black color. And select all this part and give brown color or the wood color. Or you can also texture, give the texture wood texture here. Now add one plane here like this, rotate it like this here, and scale it little bit here like this. Move it little bit backwards here, and light, add sunlight here, type 700 and like 7, select this and move this little bit backwards. Go in camera mode, press N and then camera to view, and then keep our camera here like this. If you want, you can also scale it little bit upward and move it little bit upward like this. Increase some little bit brightness. Then render this, render, go to the output folder, 1080p render here, render image. Okay, we have to apply the modifiers. Apply this modifier. 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 Let's render. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. Shade smooth. Oh oh. What the hell? Render again. So see this. This is our final render. This is a very simple sofa chair model in Blender. So let's save this image. Save as. Here PNG. I want JPG file. JPG desktop and type chair ph and then save image. So this is our final render. This is our thumbnail render. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.